Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing before takeoff. Open Google Maps and download the map area you'll need. Once done, select the region, tap Download, and verify the saved file shows under Offline Maps. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery and enough storage. This avoids mid-flight failures. Also, sign into your Google account so the offline map links to your profile. After downloading, toggle airplane mode to simulate the in-flight environment and keep the downloaded map ready. You now switch to in-flight mode. Put the phone in airplane mode, then re-enable location/GPS only. Google Maps can use the device GPS to show your position without cellular data. Once the map is open, search for saved places and drop pins for waypoints. Offline search works for downloaded content. Remember, live traffic and alternate routes won't update, so rely on saved routes and estimated times. If you need directions, preview them on the ground before takeoff to cache steps. You finish by validating position and preparing fixes. Confirm a GPS lock. If it's slow, sit by a window and wait for satellites to register. If the offline map doesn't load, briefly disable airplane mode to reconnect to the aircraft Wi-Fi or re-download the offline area when on the ground. Make sure to refresh routes with available Wi-Fi to regain ETA and alternate paths. If all else fails, restart the Maps app. That simple step often restores cached tiles and pins.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.